Hi everyone, this is just a very quick overview of Nursing 791, especially for our SIH cohort, because some of them are moving quicker than the rest of the cohort, and this is a really unique situation since we had to move things around a little bit. This course is typically, as you know, one that occurs in the summer, and instead it will now occur in fall of 2021 for our SIH group. So I changed the calendar and have prepped the course with the due dates so that we're all on the same page, so to speak, and I hope that works well. But if something isn't working well with you with the dates, you'll need to go in and change the timeline and the due dates for all the assignments. So that's just a quick update. Basically, the course is the same. I have, like I said, I've changed the due dates for the assignment links. I put in our new timeline specifically for fall of 2021 in this master, so you won't have to do that unless you want to change the dates, of course. And I did update our opening announcement, and please remember that there is indeed a script, and include your orientation and whatever supplemental information you want to provide to your students. So I hope you find this to be helpful, and good luck, and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Take care now.